In this video, I will guide you on how to fix missing face tags in Samsung Gallery. First, if you have recently purchased your Samsung phone or recently reset it, keep in mind that Gallery app needs time to recognize faces. Make sure you have at least 3 or 4 clear photos of the same person stored in your device so the app can detect and group them. Next, open your Gallery app. Now tap on the search icon at the top of your screen. From there, you want to tap on these 3 dots. Then tap on Search Settings. Here, if you find the option of people, then go ahead and enable them. This allows the Gallery app to detect and display face tags. After enabling it, return to Gallery and give the app some time to scan your photos. Once the scan is complete, the people or face tag section should appear if compatible photos are available. If the feature still does not appear, then you want to update the Samsung Gallery app and your phone's software to latest version. Then restart your device and check again. Keep in mind that face tags are only available on supported Samsung devices and the feature may vary depending on your software version and region. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.